What is up, people? Sitting here applying pressure with Steve Craven. I had the pleasure at the Bitcoin conference to run into my guy Matt right here. Matt and his wife Joy have a film and production company out of Tennessee, and I'm gonna let him tell you a little bit about what they do, and then we'll get into the meat and potatoes.
Well, yeah, so thanks for having me on, Steve.
Yeah,
This is
absolutely.
awesome. Yeah, first Bitcoin conference.
Yep.
Your first Bitcoin conference?
It is, yeah, and it's very interesting.
Yeah.
You know, there's a lot to take in here. First off, before we get into that, what do you know about Bitcoin?
Well, I bought my first Bitcoin back in 21.
Okay.
After I read the Bitcoin Standard.
Yep.
I would call myself a libertarian for the most part, and had heard about Bitcoin, but had always been kind of trepidatious about it. But then, my wife was starting to listen to some podcasts and things like that, saying we should invest in this. And then we bought the Bitcoin Standard and listened to that, and I was like, oh, this is just digital gold, and I kind of wrapped my brain around it. So we've become, very much an investor in the crypto space. Hold some Bitcoin, hold some other crypto, Solana, things like that.
Sure. Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
And your upcoming investment strategy, without giving the sauce to your recipe, is there anything that you kind of take away from this event that you're like, you know what, maybe I need to tailor what I'm doing a little bit, or does it motivate you to go a little deeper in?
I would say it probably motivates us to go a little deeper in.